Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the nth term test for divergence. This is a fundamental tool for determining if a series converges, and it all comes down to understanding the necessary condition for convergence. First, let's quickly review what a series is. Imagine you have a sequence of numbers, like 1, 1/2, 1/4, and so on. A series is what you get when you try to add all those numbers together. The main question we ask is whether this infinite sum eventually settles down to a specific finite number. This brings us to the two big ideas, convergence and divergence. A series converges if that infinite sum approaches a single, finite value. On the other hand, a series diverges if the sum doesn't settle down. This could mean it grows towards infinity, or perhaps it just oscillates without ever landing on one number. So how can we test for this? The first and simplest test is the nth term test. It states that if the limit of the individual terms of the series, a sub n, as n approaches infinity is not equal to 0, or if that limit doesn't exist at all, then the series must diverge. This makes intuitive sense. Think about it. If you are adding an infinite list of numbers, how could the total possibly stay finite unless the numbers you are adding get smaller and smaller, effectively becoming 0? If you keep adding terms that are, say, close to 1, the sum is just going to keep growing forever. Let's look at an example. Consider the series which is the sum of n divided by n plus 1. To apply the test, we take the limit of the terms as n approaches infinity. That limit is 1. Since 1 is not 0, we can immediately conclude that this series diverges. It's as simple as that. Here's another case. What about the series which is the sum of -1 to the power of n? The sequence of terms is -1, +1, -1, +1, and so on. The limit of these terms as n approaches infinity does not exist because it never settles on a single value. Therefore, because the limit is not 0, the series diverges. Now, this is the most important part of the lesson. What happens if the limit of the terms is 0? This is a common trap. If the limit of a sub n is 0, the nth term test tells you absolutely nothing. It is inconclusive. You cannot say the series converges. You must use a different, more powerful test. The most famous example of this is the harmonic series, which is 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4, and so on. If you take the limit of the terms, 1 over n, as n approaches infinity, you get 0. However, it's a well-known fact that the harmonic series actually diverges. This proves that the limit being 0 is not enough to guarantee convergence. To sum it all up, if the limit of the terms is not 0, the series diverges. End of story. If the limit of the terms is 0, the test is inconclusive and you have more work to do. Remember, this test can only prove divergence, never convergence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.